Hey, it's Pratyay. Welcome back to CNE. So we are going to announce a new course, uh, which is in the making, and this course is web scraping using Python. So we will learn how to scrape websites and various other things in this course. And this course will probably be launched in the next week. That is, in the next Wednesday, if I'm not wrong. We'll still update you. We'll keep you posted so that you don't miss out. And the prerequisite for this course is that you have to know Python. And I have recently done a course on Python, which is a crash course, which is a 90-minute course, and that will help you a lot in understanding the basics of Python, even the intermediate concepts like working with different data structures like lists, then tuples, and then what do you say, sets, and many other. So let's not get into there. In this entire web scraping course, you will learn about libraries like requests, then how LXML is used, then how Beautiful Soup, primarily will focus on Beautiful Soup and its applications. So yeah, that's it. That was the major announcement. And in this video, what I'll do here is I'll show you how to set up your environment before you get on with the course. Okay, before you come on board, you have to be prepared with the entire environment. You have to set your system. So it's very easy. You have to download just a single file, which you will have. I'll mention the drive link in the description. You can check for yourself, and you can I will also pin the I will have also pin a comment mentioning the link where you can find the setup file. There is only one thing that you need to install, which is Anaconda, a distribution of Python tools, various Python tools. We have Jupyter Notebook, we have Spider, we have many other things. So you just need to install Python, and in this video I'll just show you how to install that. Okay, so it's pretty easy. You can see here on my screen I have the setup. I'll just right click here and run as administrator. Let's click yes, and then it will take some time. I'll click here yes, agree. All users, just do it. Next. Okay, just follow the steps very carefully. Okay, yeah, just add it to the path environment variable. It's very basic, so it will take some time, and then it will install all the things, and it will set it up for me. Okay, you can skip this video. Okay. So you can see here my installation is complete. So I'll click here next and next, and let's uncheck all these things and finish. Okay, so here I think I have Anaconda installed in my system. So I'll go to command prompt and let's check. Just wait. Oops, let's check. Anaconda, it's added to my path. I think it's added, it's being added to my path. Let's check. It will take some time. Okay, so I have Anaconda installed in my path. You can see here, I think capital V, it will tell me the version that I'm using. So the version is 1.7.2. it's the CLI interface. Okay, so let me check if I have Python installed in my system. You don't need to install Python externally, just install Anaconda on your system and you're good to go. So Python, so you can see here that Python is installed. Just wait, it's giving me a warning. I'll ignore that. It's telling me that the Conda environment is not set, but it's okay. And let me check if I have my requests module installed. Okay, it's installed. I don't need to install it externally. Just wait, and let me do another thing. Let me just run a command if I can see if I have pip installed in my system. Check by pip pip will be installed. Yes, pip is installed. Just go to your browser. Okay, and then click here, and then just do one thing. Do search for Beautiful Soup. Okay, and the current version is 4.9. Here you can see that, and installing it is very easy. You'll find a proper documentation. Okay, so let's do one thing. Yeah, python for pip install beautiful soup 4. Okay, this is the command we are going to use. I'll copy it, I'll make things easier. Okay, and then paste it over here, and then I'll hit enter. This will install a beautiful soup for me. Let me close my browser. Okay, yeah, close tabs. And okay, so I have beautiful soup installed in my system. I don't need to worry, and that's it, guys. I don't have to worry about anything. It's done. Let me check if Jupyter is installed. I know it is installed. The command is Jupyter-notebook. Okay, so it will be installed. It will launch the Jupyter notebook for me. Yeah, so Jupyter notebook is also installed. We're good to go, guys. We don't have to worry about anything at all. We're good to write codes now. Okay, which we will, and I'll give you an overview how to use Jupyter. I have previously made some videos on Jupyter. I'll try to mention them in my description so that you don't have a problem. Okay, so this was for the installation part, and I'll see you after 1 week. Okay, I'll see you after 1 week, and we'll be prepared, okay, to make our first move with web scraping library. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today.